when setting up the machine to actually go into crop, etc., there's a number of ways we can do this. We can adjust the machine for each part of the machine using the armrest, but if we go into crop here and we leave it on crop data, we can actually select the type of crop. So here we can select wheat, rye, barley, etc. When we've selected our crop with the machine running, what we need to do is we need to press the play button, so the arrow here. Once we press the play button, the combine will now set itself up, so the drum speed, rotor speed, sieve settings, fan speed, that sort of thing. Even the monitors, the loss monitors, etc., will all be set up as per that setting. So this here is a class setting. It's not necessarily your own personal one, but you can, if you want to, now adjust the combine, so fine tune it. But we were talking about the fan, the throttle valve, etc. down the bottom. So if you scroll this one list all the way down to the bottom here, you can see here there's de-awning plates, threshing segments. We go even further down, finger position, what position we've got the fingers in, etc. So down here we've got a couple of extra ones that we can do. So your de-awning plates, your intake height, etc. The wind boards, so there's those lower wind boards, the two boards on the bottom to adjust the angle of this air. And then as well we have the wind duct restrictor, so that's the throttle valve that we have in the actual fan there. So quite a number of extra settings that would have to be done manually. So if you change your crop setting, it's always an idea to check, make sure that those are correct for the setting that you want. If you do need to fine tune this, so let's go to the top here, so it shows you a little bit more. So here if I change the drum speed and the fan speed and all that, and it suits the conditions I'm in. Because my machine's not running, I can't touch this button or open this menu yet. You can go in here and you can actually load your own crop settings. So what you can do is go in there, and now what you do is save it as a different crop type. So it can be wheat, so you started off with wheat and now you've adjusted everything else. So go in there and save those settings, so next season when you come to do that particular crop, wheat, barley, whatever, you now have your own personal settings. So do give it your own name that you want. And then in this menu here is where you'll be able to access all your own crop data. If you don't like it, you can also delete it.